Welcome to DaveTech. This is another quick tutorial on how to download the 7 Plus application to your Android TV, your TV box, or Google TV. This method will be using the code method, and you will need the download application for this method. The download application looks like this, so if you do not have it, check the link in the description, and I've linked a tutorial teaching you exactly how to download this application to your Android TV, a Google TV, or a TV box. Click on the application to get in and go to the Home tab. On the Home tab, you're going to input the code for this particular 7 Plus application. The code is going to be 9664155. Now, ensure this code is correct so that this could work for you. Hit on the go button and your download will begin in a few seconds. Be patient for 5 seconds and you'll be redirected to the site for the download to begin. Alright, now you can click on the download button at the bottom. After hitting continue, and you see your download is restarting. Be patient for a few seconds and click on this down button to your right, and now your download will begin and you see a progress bar. When the download is complete, you can click on install, and if you like, you can delete the package file. That is it for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.